Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi for those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. So today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre, so go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll leave you my 54 cents of whether you should be picking this wig up. Let's go. Now you've actually installed the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. But before we get into the specs of the unit, I just want to say a big old fat thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me over this wig to review for my audience. If you don't know who Sam's Beauty is, Sam's Beauty is everything hair, everything wigs, anything that you need for your hair. Go ahead and check it out at Sam's Beauty. They do sell a variety of stuff, all dedicated to your hair. Now that we have got that out of the way, let's go ahead and talk about the specs about this unit. This unit that I have is Outre in the melted hairline. This unit is Katiana. I have Katiana in the color DRFF Golden Amber. Katiana does have baby hairs. She does have a pre-attached white elastic band. She does come with 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one in the back, as well as adjustable straps. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. The lace is transparent. She does have 5-inch deep parting area. She's completely pre-plucked with sideburns. So again, the unit that I'll review is Katiana. My thoughts in the unit. Okay. I love the unit. So if you're waiting for something bad, I'm sorry to disappoint. I love the unit. I know I don't like long hair, but I love the unit. Okay, the texture of the unit. Look at this. Can y'all see this texture? The color of the unit. Okay. Although it's not big friendly, it is big and friendly, and the texture makes up for it. So with that being said, I'll give my girl Katiana a 9.5. Yeah. I love the unit. I love everything. And you like how I style it? You like how I style it? Yeah. The girl got skills. Okay, let me stop playing. But yeah, I love Katiana. I love everything about her. She looks just gorgeous on my skin tone. The color that was sent over. I love how it was styled. And I do believe it. You probably could curl it. I didn't try it out because I didn't want to curl it. I wanted to leave it in the natural elements and do a style in the natural state. Okay. So this is what we went for. Okay. She does have a bit of flyaways, no tangling, no shedding, but just the flyaways. So we're giving her a 9.5 because my girl Katiana got me going. My girl Katiana gonna have me looking good for the summertime. And with this shirt, yes, honey, Katiana just said yes. I am here for you, baby. What do you think about Katiana? Do you like wigs this texture? Do you like a more of the silky texture? Let me know what you like down in the comment section. So if you got the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, comment on the video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.